Wait, what happened? Hi.
Hi. That's my motorcycle that's been missing for months.
You're kidding me.
I'm serious.
Whoa, wait. What do you mean?
That's my motorcycle that's been missing for months.
Somebody gave it to me.
Who gave it to you?
A guy in the back of there.
Really, that guy?
You can take it.
Really?
You can take it.
You
Bobby.
taking that motorcycle off that right now?
Take it out. Go on, Charlie. Take it out. I don't know, Baba. I don't know for real.
For real?
No, I don't know, Baba.
For real?
Charlie, you're lucky. I don't know, Baba.
For real? Unload that motorcycle, man.
Charlie, you're lucky. I don't know, Baba, for real, man.
You don't know? You don't know? Your license plate?
Come on. Charlie.
Really? You want to go to jail?
I don't wanna
That's
go
a
to jail.
felony.
I don't know nothing about this, man.
For real?
I'll be honest, Bobby. I don't know nothing about this. Nothing.
For real? Look, you're breaking it.
Come on, Charlie. Help me. Close that door.
For real? Yeah, you was about to take this, go do something with it right now,
Man,
right?
come on, man. I got kids, man.
Come on, you got kids, nothing, bro. My motorcycle been missing for months. And look, it popped up.
Here we go. Here we go. You want to
Look.
I don't know about that shit, man.
It popped up.
I don't know about that shit, Papa. Here we go. I'm not even here.
I seen it, I was like, yo,
I don't know nothing about that motorcycle.
really?